Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions so you don't end up with a gadget that's more useless than a screen door on a submarine. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we've got the LMRC-12 drone, aka LMRC-12. And on the right, we've got the 4DRCV4 mini foldable drone, or, as I like to call it, 4DRCV4. Let's see which of these tiny flying marvels deserves a spot in your tech arsenal. First up, let's talk cameras. The LMRC-12 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It also has dual camera switching and FPV real-time transmission. Reviewers say it's great for capturing high-quality aerial photos. On the other hand, the 4DRCV4 also has a 1080p camera, but with an electric adjustable angle. This feature, praised by users, allows for remote adjustments, making it perfect for spontaneous moments. Both drones offer solid camera features, but the 4DRCV4's remote adjustability gives it a slight edge. Next, let's talk about flight features. The LMRC-12 comes with headless mode, one-key start landing, hand gesture photos, video, and altitude hold. Reviewers find it very user-friendly and stable, making it a good choice for beginners. The 4DRCV4, on the other hand, is packed with 3D flip, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow, 3 speeds, one-key takeoff landing, gesture photo, and even VR. Some users love these extra features, but note that many functions require app control. The 4DRCV4 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, offering diverse functionalities. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The LMRC-12 offers up to 26 minutes of flight time with its 2 high-capacity modular batteries. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life for extended fun. Similarly, the 4DRCV4 also promises 26 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries and includes a carrying case for portability. Users find it convenient for travel and outdoor activities. Both drones offer the same flight time, but the 4DRCV4's portability gives it an extra point. Finally, let's talk price. The LMRC-12 is priced at $79. It's a great value for all the features it offers, according to reviewers. The 4DRCV4 comes in at $89. While it's a bit pricier, users feel that the extra features and electric adjustable camera justify the cost. It's like paying a little extra for guac at Chipotle. Worth it if you love the extras. Reviewers generally appreciate the LMRC-12 for its ease of use, stability, and value for money, though some mention issues with the app and build quality. The 4DRCV4 is praised for its feature-rich design and portability, but some users find it less durable and note occasional malfunctions. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use and offers great camera quality at a lower price, go for the LMRC-12. But if you want a drone with all the bells and whistles, and you're willing to shell out a bit more, the 4DRCV4 is your flying buddy. Either way, you can't go wrong. Both of these drones will have you feeling like a Top Gun pilot in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!